Gregory, aka Mr. Grumpy Chocolate.
Ava, I told you to stop calling me that. Candy does not have feelings. So how can chocolate be grumpy?
Why are you filming me?
Principal Coleman is watching our class today, so be on your best behavior. Wait, you're the principal? You don't even do anything. She tried to sell me a wig in the hallway. You guys know what I really need right now?
Isn't a man?
No. Ava.
What? And even better, this wig comes pre-plucked.
Ava, there's literally a leak in the hallway. I don't know.
Candace, wait, I have a giveaway.
What? You guys, some anonymous account uploaded a video of me crying in my car. Who would even do such a thing? Oh my gosh, who did that, man? Oh my gosh, just at the right time. I just got to take this call. Can you watch my class?
You want me to actually do work on the clock? Okay, and that's how you blend your lace.
Ava, what? I said watch my class, not teach them this.
I am teaching these kids life skills.
You guys, guess what I'm going to be for Halloween?
Is it going to be something annoying?
No, silly goose. I'm going to be a bumblebee.
So annoying.
It won't be annoying once you see me in the costume.
It's hot in here. Gregory, you got to leave the room, baby.
I hate my existence. My weekend was amazing.
That sounds nauseating. I'd rather listen to 6 hours of Victoria scenes that are really cringy.
Oh, and I love me some Victorious. That Victoria Beckham can sure act.
Don't you mean Victoria?
Might be Victoria's Secret. Hey, Ava, what happened to the money that we raised for the bake sale? We haven't even seen a dime. And what is this?
Honestly, Barbara, even better. I spent all the money on this jacuzzi in the office. How cool is this?
Inside of your head is a monkey playing cymbals. I can't believe...
Barbara, relax.
How could I relax?
You can use this that... Well, actually, Melissa called it and then Janine called it. But honestly, I don't even like Janine, so you can just skip her.
Oh my... Ava?
Damn it.
Where are you going? I thought we were supposed to have our little meeting.
I can't. I have a Bad Bunny concert to go to.
It's 9:24.